All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're stepping into the control room of modern filmmaking, a place where, honestly, your imagination can become reality with just a few words. We're going to explore the absolutely revolutionary world of AI video generation, where you, yes you, are in the director's chair.
And hey, this isn't just for people messing around in their basement. Industry giants like Taika Waititi are already seeing the incredible potential. This quote just nails it. AI isn't here to replace the director. It's more like a co-pilot. It's here to empower you, to make that whole creative process, from the first spark of an idea to the final cut, way faster.
So, what are we really talking about here? At its heart, AI video generation is all about taking an idea that's stuck in your head and turning it into a real moving image. It basically tears down all the old walls. You don't need super expensive equipment or years of training anymore. The power to create is literally at your fingertips.
Okay, so let's get this one fundamental concept down first. In this brand new world, your most powerful tool, it isn't a camera. It's not a fancy lighting rig. It's your words. You are now sitting in the director's chair, and the words you choose are going to shape every single frame. Think about it like this. That text prompt you write is the ultimate command. It's not just a little suggestion. It's everything. It's your script, it's your shot list, it's your entire crew all rolled into one single instruction. You've heard that old saying, garbage in, garbage out, right? Well, the flip side is true here. Cinematic language in, you get cinematic magic out.
So how do you give these AIs good instructions? Well, you have to learn to speak their language. And the good news for us is, that language is the language of cinema itself. So let's break down the essential vocabulary you're going to need to start crafting prompts that really do create some magic.
First up, camera shots. This is like the absolute foundation of visual storytelling. A shot isn't just about what you see in the frame, it's about the relationship it creates. Are we getting up close and personal, seeing every little emotion, or are we hanging way back, taking in this huge, epic landscape?
Okay, you've got your shot. Now, let's make it move. A static shot can be powerful, for sure, but camera movements are what bring a scene to life. They add energy, they guide the viewer's eye, they can reveal things in a really dramatic way. It's like the verb to the camera shot's noun. It's what makes the scene do something.
And this is where your power as a director really kicks in. A simple change in angle can create a massive emotional shift. A high-angle shot looking down on a character can instantly make them feel small or vulnerable. But flip that. A low-angle shot looking up makes that exact same character feel powerful, dominant, even heroic. You are literally controlling how the audience feels with just a single frame.
Same idea with movement. Do you want to explore the scene horizontally or vertically? A pan slowly sweeps across a landscape, building anticipation. A tilt can emphasize the incredible height of a skyscraper or the terrifying depth of a canyon. It's all about telling the AI, and by extension, the viewer, exactly where to look.
Now, let's see how this all stacks together. We're not just giving one command, we're layering them. We start with a wide-angle shot to set the scene, then a dolly in to create focus and intimacy, a tilt down for a dramatic reveal, and we top it all off with golden hour lighting to set the perfect mood. See? You're not just describing a static picture, you're directing a whole sequence of actions and emotions.
Okay, so now you know how to talk the talk. But who exactly are you talking to? The AI video world is changing crazy fast, but right now there are a few major players that have really emerged as the go-to platforms for creators.
Let's start with the one you've probably heard of, OpenAI's Sora. If you're already in the ChatGPT world, this is going to be your easiest, most direct way into AI video. It's designed to be super accessible, turning a simple thought into a video clip with almost no fuss.
So for that flat monthly fee you might already be paying for ChatGPT Plus, you get access to this incredibly powerful video tool. Sora gives you high-def, 20-second clips and has this really intuitive storyboard feel. It's built for speed and simplicity. It's perfect if you need a quick, eye-catching visual for social media, or if you just want to prototype an idea really fast.
Next up, we've got Google's Veil. Now, this is positioned as a much more premium, professional-grade tool. If you're chasing that real cinematic look and feel, for a short film or a high-end ad, Veo is designed to deliver exactly that.
Veo really boasts this incredible film-like quality and gives you way more advanced control over specific camera angles. But its standout feature is something called the Flow tool, which lets you actually stitch clips together into longer stories.
The pricing is a little different. You pay as you go, which can add up, but what you're paying for is a huge leap in creative control and visual quality.
Then there's Runway. The best way to think about this one is as an all-in-one creative suite. Runway's whole idea is, why should you just generate a clip and be done with it? They want you to generate, edit, and perfect your video all inside their single, powerful platform.
What makes Runway different is its focus on what happens after you generate. It gives you a full editing timeline, wild tools like Motion Brush that let you animate just one part of an image, and even voice cloning. This is for the creator who loves to get in there and tinker, someone who wants total control over every little detail.
And finally, we have LTX Studio. This is the platform for the meticulous storyteller. Its biggest strength is solving one of the most annoying challenges in AI video right now, keeping things consistent from one shot to the next.
LTX lets you upload an entire script and it'll generate a storyboard for you. But the real magic is how it maintains consistent characters and objects. You know how in some AI videos a character's shirt might change color between shots? LTX is built to stop that. If you're trying to tell an actual story, that's huge.
So with all these amazing tools out there, Sora, VO, Runway, LTX Studio, how in the world do you choose the right one? Well, the best tool really depends on what you're trying to create.
Let's just break it down nice and simple. For something quick and easy, Sora's integration with ChatGPT is just unmatched. For those really high-end cinematic projects, VO's Flow tool is a game-changer. If you want that all-in-one platform to generate and then go crazy editing, Runway is your best and most affordable bet. And for longer stories where consistency is everything, LTX Studio is the specialist you need.
So here's the bottom line. It's all about matching the tool to the task. If you're just starting out, Sora is the perfect gateway. If you have a specific cinematic vision in your head, VO and Runway give you that quality and control. For you detailed storytellers, LTX is built for you. And hey, for really specific needs, like cranking out tons of social media ads, you'll even find specialized tools for that too.
Look, the director's chair is officially open. It's open to everyone. The tools are here, and believe me, they are getting more powerful every single day. The only limit now is the clarity of your vision and the richness of your words. So, with this AI co-director sitting right by your side, what story are you going to tell first?